Welcome to Eagle News. Our topic today is Trump joins Biden and Obama in denouncing Tyre Nichols' horrible beating. This should never have happened. Former President Donald Trump has joined the chorus of those condemning the disturbing footage from the body cams of 5 Memphis police officers who violently assaulted Tyre Nichols, 29. The film was made public on Friday, January 27. It was awful, in my opinion. He was in a lot of difficulty. He was being thrashed. That should not have happened, Trump stated this to the Associated Press on Saturday. Following a traffic stop on January 7, the officers punch, kick, pepper spray, and tase Nichols, a 29-year-old black parent and delivery driver. 3 days later, on January 10, he died. Officers have been charged with his murder. Trump, who is running for president in 2024, said it was especially painful for him to hear Nichols repeatedly call out to his mother during the assault. He described it as a really terrible time. To be honest, that was the thing that got me the most, the former president stated. Trump said Memphis police were taking a bold move by disbanding the Scorpion police team, which was formed to target violent offenders in high-crime areas. Street Crimes Operation to Restore Peace in Our Neighborhoods is abbreviated as Scorpion. As a result of the January 7 incident, it has been permanently deactivated, according to Memphis officials. Trump also termed the footage very conclusive, despite the fact that the police are facing murder charges. He further claimed that the police reason for the beating was not the driving violation. "Look, the tape was perhaps not completely convincing, but it was very conclusive to me. And it was brutal and violent and hard to believe, all over a traffic ticket," Trump added. Trump earlier warned of violent protests in the summer of 2020 in response to the police killing of George Floyd in Minneapolis, which he strongly denounced. "When the looting begins, the shooting begins," Trump tweeted, provoking outrage. Twitter also marked the tweet as glorifying violence. The former president described his remarks as an attempt to deter escalation rather than a demand to shoot looters. Later, he based his 2020 re-election campaign on law and order and support for police enforcement. During his presidency, Trump issued an executive order urging better police procedures. Former President Barack Obama also weighed in on the Tyre Nichols bodycam video. Barack and Michelle Obama said in a joint tweet that Nichols' death is a sad reminder for America. Tyre Nichols' savage, unjustified assault and eventual death at the hands of 5 Memphis police officers is only the latest, terrible reminder of how far America still needs to go in changing how we police our streets, the pair added. President Joe Biden also spoke out over the video. "My heart goes out to Tyre Nichols' family, as well as all Americans in Memphis and across the country who are mourning this terrible loss. There are no words to express the anguish and grief that comes with the loss of a loving child and young father." Friday night, he issued a statement.